Nissan offers two primary methods for updating your infotainment system: over the air, which is wireless and convenient, and USB, which is manual. OTA updates are wireless and convenient, delivered via Wi-Fi or cellular network through Nissan Connect services. Most 2022 and newer models like the Rogue, Pathfinder, and Aria support OTA for firmware, apps, maps, and features. To update via OTA, first ensure your vehicle is connected to the internet. Then navigate to the Infotainment settings and select System Updates. USB updates are manual, requiring you to download software from Nissan's website, transfer it to a USB drive, and install it in your vehicle. This method is primarily used for older models or regions with poor connectivity. For USB updates, download the software from Nissan's website, transfer it to a USB drive, then insert the drive into your vehicle and follow the installation prompts. Nissan recommends OTA for most users because it is simple, quick, and easy. Map updates in Nissan vehicles are powered by HERE technologies and delivered predominantly through over-the-air updates. These quarterly refreshes improve accuracy with new roads, points of interest, and real-time traffic data. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay updates are bundled with system firmware updates, enhancing wireless support and adding new features like faster pairing and app streaming. If experiencing issues, ensure Nissan Connect services are active and your vehicle has stable internet for OTA updates. For USB updates, format drives as FAT32 and follow prompts. Check compatibility and software versions. Older software may not be compatible.